What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get straight into the video today. Customer has dropped off his brand new 22 WRX ceramic white. He's here for the flares, the rear bumper, the STI wings. Oh, we have the full Aero kit, which is a new kit right here. It's called a T-Spec. So very limited edition right now we're releasing. So it's gonna be on the very first, it's gonna be on that car here. This is a premium model with a sunroof, super sick, big giant screen, which I'm super jealous about. You know, we actually tried to trade in our red one for a premium model, but then the owner said, man, you guys are wasting time, so forget that. So put it back. So yeah, they're doing the bumper. It's gonna be at Subi Fest this year, so it's gonna be the second white one with a full conversion. So if you're in SoCal, you're interested in, you know, getting your bumpers done, the wing, the Aero kit, hit us up. We can also get a suspension and wheels done as well. So let us know. Just a comparison, as you can see, non-painted flares, painted to each and their own. You know, this looks good, but this looks good too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all this stuff off and then get into the body shop. So I'm very excited for the transformation of this 22 WRX. See you guys in a bit. This is day 2 of part 1 of working on the 22 WRX. So today's quick day. I'm pretty much taking all the parts off, the bumpers off, and then we're gonna slap on another set of wheels on our car. Different set of wheels, which you guys will see in a bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started first. So enjoy this short B-roll. Alright guys, so I just took off all the parts, bumper, the 8-piece flare kit. So if you're interested, we have these available. You know, if you want to ship your flares in, we can get it painted for you in any color match. Bumper is a little hard to send in because it's so damn giant, it's so damn big. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. This is gonna be the 5th full ceramic white WRX that we're doing. So I'm very excited for the transformation. It's gonna look exactly like our 22 with a little different twist. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get this dropped off to body shop, and then we're gonna work on our wheels again, like the 10th time again. So let's get started. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys. Sorry for the loud noise. A lot of stuff happening in the shop today. Very busy. So 18.5 Evo Tarmac. Our new wheels are 18.5 plus 30 offset with a 265/35. I don't think we ran that size yet. Actually, we did on the R888s, on the T37s, but those tires are so fat. But we got something a little less stretch, less stuff. So let's check it out. Here it is, boys and girls. These are the Enkei RPF ones. These are the most common wheels people get for their Subarus and their Evos. Very track oriented wheels. We even come with the center cap and the blue balsam. So yeah, 265/35. Remember on our last R888s, they fit hella fat. So this a little smaller sidewall. So let's check it out. I'm very excited because this is gonna look pretty sick. I think these are one of the wheels we're gonna put on, not for Subi Fest. One of the set on for Subi Fest, but it's temporary wheels. So let's go. 8.5, 9.5. Remember, you can run 8.5 on stock suspension. With a 20mm spacer, you can get away with no rubbing. We have 25mm, so that's why I was rubbing a lot. But, you know, without that, you'll be fine. And here's some difference. You know, I like Enkeis are a little more concave. Not concave, with the lip looks like concave. These are more of a rally look. So I'm going to put these to the side. Okay, and shout out to our lug nuts. We sell these lug nuts here. They're like $8 a set. Been abused hella times, as you can see in so many videos. Holding them good like day one. So if you're interested, link for these are in the bio below. So let's get these bad boys mounted. I don't think it's directional, so. Woo! It's gonna look pretty sick. Oh, super light, by the way. Very, very light wheels. Almost forgot something. The reason why I put this, you don't really need it, but you know, it's nice to have, you know. So this hub rings, pop that bad boy inside like this. Okay, let me show you guys. Man, our brakes. Waiting for a Brembo kit, guys. It's coming, okay. Here it is. Should I run center caps or no center caps? Okay, see? All right, guys, center cap, no center cap. I think it looks cleaner without the center cap. More of a track look. What do you think, cameraman? Yeah? Okay. He approves, so no center caps. Let's get these bad boys mounted. Don't you love when it's wheel day? People say, you spend so much money on wheels, you got a bigger turbo. But honestly, we have a turbo coming anyways. I just want to find the perfect sizing for you guys. So if you have a 22 WRX, which is going to be rolling, a lot of these cars coming out on the street. Not coming out, but coming on the street. So, you know, if you want to get a wheel good setup, I'm going to take care of you guys. So fitment looks good already on the air. We're still waiting for our rear control arms from ISC. Once we get that dialed in. I know our lug nuts are kind of scratched, but as you can see, they're very durable. Make sure to tighten the star shape, guys, always, okay? Looks nice. I already know it's gonna clear, you know, moving so many wheels, but it looks good. Imagine with some Brembos, just imagine right there. Wow, that looks sick. But anyways, center caps, I'm not gonna put them on. I'm gonna do the rear and I'm gonna lower the car. All right, guys, here it is. Another set, 18.5 30 offset with a 265/35. These are some Falcon and Xenos FK 510s. So let's do a comparison. Pretty flush, for sure, clear, no rubbing. Perfect, no rubbing. It looks pretty sick, I like it. These are 10 set wheels already, I think. But let's do a comparison on this side. So you guys what the difference is. So 9.5 versus an 8.5. So the 1 inch does make a difference. For those, you know, are interested and don't want to run too aggressive, you can always go with the 8.5. So I'm gonna finish up this side and then gonna get some B-rolls. Hopefully you guys like this setup, and that's it for this episode of part 1 of the flares. So we're gonna come back next week episode with the flares done, the wing install, painted, and all the other shebang. So that's it. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time.